And are we live? We live? Alright, cool. And today we have Jay White. Everybody give him a round of applause. Alright, man. We're gonna get straight into it. I think the world has a question, and I'll be the first to ask. Who's Big Wavy?
It's funny that you asked that. I mean, Big Wavy is me.
Alright, man, so look, it's a few days later. Today is Wednesday. I don't know if I showed y'all, but I actually know I didn't show y'all. I actually hit on Sneakers app for both pairs of the Jordan 1 SBs. So y'all see, well, y'all actually can't see, but y'all see, hit on both pairs. The Lakers pair got here today, and my other pair still says it's gonna be here tomorrow. So as long as I got the Lakers pair, that's the only pair I really care about. So I'm walking to the rent office to pick it up right now, because apparently when they knocked on the door, which they really didn't knock on the door, I didn't hear it, so they left the little thing on the door. So I'm about to pick this up and I'm gonna unbox these for y'all on camera. Even though I know nobody from Nike is watching this, if for some chance that you are, stop this. Like, stop with the Nike branding, because the day somebody steal my box, we gonna have issue. All right, man, what's up? Back in the house, as you can see, but I got the box flipped over, so it might be upside down because I have my address and everything up there, and I ain't feel like ripping it off. So let me go ahead and just give y'all my quick first impression of this. Crazy thing about these is, until I heard Ron from Ron Reviews, y'all don't know that's the bro, Ron and Chris 901 Fire Kicks, until I seen them actually like talking about it, I didn't even know the shoe was coming up. And then crazy enough, it seems like I'm the only one that actually hit on these like from Nike. So, oh yeah, this is definitely the box. So I'm actually really happy that I got these, because I actually do really like them now that I knew that they existed. And just put the box right there. I have not seen these in person, because this whole trying to get these was like a whole mission. But now I have them, got them for retail. Like I said, I did here on Nike Sneakers. So let's go ahead and flip this back. Let me see. It got that Jordan 1 smell too. It just smells so good. Oh my god. Yo, these are crazy. Like, these are serious. Like, these serious. And if y'all can tell by the channel, I actually haven't even been picking up shoes. So y'all know, for me to pick this up, I must have really wanted it. And I'm not gonna lie to you, it did not disappoint at all. And of course, if y'all didn't already know, this paint comes off. It's actually red under here. That's gonna be a whole separate video that I probably either drop tomorrow. It's definitely gonna drop tomorrow. But this is the shoe, man, and honestly, I'm really happy with these. I'll probably put the red laces in here. Not gonna lie to you, they'll probably make it pop some more, especially because under here is red. But like I said, if you haven't seen that already, I'll have a video of that up tomorrow along with a full review. But first-hand impressions, crazy. Like, these are serious. Like, probably, again, like I said in the video on these, probably a top 10 sneaker of the year. And if I had to choose between these, I'm definitely going with these. Like, not even a question. Like, Turbo Greens, really good shoe. I wear these all the time. But seems like these are about to be replaced with these. So, like I said, I just wanted to show y'all my first initial thoughts of these. Super dope, bruh. Like, crazy. And I cannot wait to the point where I'm probably about to shoot this video right after this one goes up. So, appreciate y'all for coming through. As always, follow me on Instagram at key.sowavy if you don't already. We almost at, what, 1,300 subscribers? We almost at 1,300, 1,400, whichever one we at. We like 10 subscribers away, so I appreciate y'all for that. Keep subscribing, keep telling a friend, all that good stuff. I'm gonna keep getting y'all the content. And yes, sneaker content is slowly trying to creep back up. It just gotta be a serious shoe for me to pick it up. Like I said, man, appreciate y'all for watching, subscribing, sharing, all that good stuff. I'm gonna keep the content coming for y'all, bro. But look, I'm about to get to this video, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna see y'all in the next one.